welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know, I've been gone and I haven't uploaded any video here for a couple of few months. So I'll be explaining why. Because my phone storage was full, so I tried freeing some, but it just wasn't enough. So I had to save up enough money just to buy a new phone and to start filming again. It's also for school projects. Okay, since I haven't uploaded any video here, I'm here to share with you guys what I've been doing this couple of few months since June. Because if you didn't know, June is the start of rainy seasons here in the Philippines. So here's some of it. But before we start, according to YouTube statistics, only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Enjoy the video. First on the list is reading books. Either it's online on Wattpad and AO3 or actual books IRL. In addition to that, I love reading when it's raining or it's cold. The sound of the rain plus the cold weather equals great time for reading. Earlier, before I started filming, I was reading this book titled I Love You Since 1892 by Binibining Mia, published under ABS-CBN Books. I'm reading the last book, which is the part 5 of it, and I can't stop crying because of it. Spiderhead. I hate this for Carmelita. She's ruining Carmela's mission. Besides on reading books, I also love writing stories in Wattpad. Like this story I'm writing titled Just a Roleplay on Wattpad. It's actually based on my own experience, yet I still don't know how to end it because the story that I'm writing is also still in the making in real life. So every time something new happened in real life, my supposedly ending kept on changing also. Number 2. Beside on listening to the rain while reading and writing books and stories, I also listen to music in Spotify or YouTube Music. I mostly listen to Alec Benjamin's songs, Suit and his band's song, the Minecraft YouTuber Dream songs. Actually, the Minecraft community have a lot of talented people on it, especially singers like Derivakat, CG5, Precious Jewel and more, and a lot more, including the different Minecraft YouTubers themselves. I also listen to Righteous Brothers songs like Unchained Melody and Soul and Inspiration. I also listen to Paul Anka songs like Puppy Love and Put Your Head on My Shoulder. Despite of me being young, I still love listening to old songs, possibly because of the fanfics I've been reading and also because the songs are actually undeniably good. Number 3. I love to paint and draw while it's raining. In fact, almost every art I've done in my sketchpads are during storms. In general, during cold seasons. I don't know, it's like my interest in stuff come back whenever it's cold or raining. Not gonna lie, it's interesting. Well, here are some of my arts for the year 2020 and 2021. And lastly in the list, it wouldn't be complete if I didn't mention my favorite game since 2014. And of course, that is Minecraft. I played Minecraft since the year of 2014, and I never left the community of it. And I've never actually stopped playing these years. I've never lost interest on playing it, which is surprising because on the other hand, I'm quick on losing interest in stuff I play or do. And that's the thing with Minecraft. I love playing Minecraft while it's raining because it's a whole new world from then and there whenever I open the game. It has endless possibilities, and I could make my own world, all things that I desire. And I can express my creativity there, like this survival world of mine. It has farms, villager, mountains, river, a desert, caves, and tons of animals.
I knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you'll be the shoulder that I need.
In addition to that, it's also a way to pass time because if you got really into building or surviving in the game, it wouldn't take long for it to pass 2 hours or even more. For example, I started playing the game at 9 p.m. and I got really into building this house and traveling through different villages, desert temples, and mines. If not for the notification of my phone that it's on 10%, I wouldn't have noticed that I've been playing for more than 6 hours straight. And I can say that I'm pretty disappointed with myself. So, yeah, that's why I can definitely assure you it's actually a way to pass time. Well, that's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Always remember to keep hydrated and don't stress yourself too much. As always, stay safe and see y'all in my next video. Bye!